Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv and today I made a remote control car using transmitter and a receiver. First I will show you its demo. So see this car here. Okay. The car was moving when I gave instruction from this transmitter using these buttons. Now I will show you how does it works. So basically there is a chip inside it. Here you can see there's a chip inside it which I extended using some buttons because it was really small and I cannot fit in my hand, so I just extended it with some buttons. And here you can see a chip. This is a 4-channel receiver that can control 2 motors at a time. Here is the first channel or the first motor. This motor can control 2 channels, one left and one right. And the second motor is right here. This can control forward and backward. And these are the batteries that can control this receiver. And that's all you can see. And I will show you again it's working. So I hope you liked my video and you might have learned something new. Thank you and stay safe.